Hello, I'm Michael Robinson. I'm a Legal Commissioner with the Northern Ireland Judicial Appointments Commission, and I chair the Selection Committee for an important new competition that NIJAC is launching to recruit a Master for the Matrimonial Office of the High Court in Belfast. This is a demanding and highly responsible judicial role, offering the opportunity to make a real and lasting contribution to the administration of justice in Northern Ireland. To be eligible for appointment, applicants must be either a member of the Bar of Northern Ireland or a solicitor of the Court of Judicature of Northern Ireland with at least 7 years standing. The Matrimonial Master plays a central role in resolving financial matters arising from divorce. The jurisdiction is governed by the Family Proceedings Northern Ireland Rules 1996, the Matrimonial Causes Northern Ireland Order 1978, and the rules of the Supreme Court. Masters hear all High Court cases that are not heard by High Court judges, and the workload is substantial. In Northern Ireland, almost all ancillary relief cases are heard at first instance by the Master rather than by a family judge. There are no monetary limits on the cases heard. A typical workload may involve over 100 cases each week, including reviews, directions hearings, discovery applications, financial dispute resolution hearings, and full hearings. Many of these cases are exceptionally complex and in other jurisdictions would ordinarily be heard by a High Court judge. The Matrimonial Master case manages matters from start to finish. This continuity allows for a deep understanding of each case and supports fair, efficient, and well-reasoned decision-making. Reasoned judgments are required in all cases, and in many instances, detailed written judgments will also be expected. Historically, Masters have been appointed to specific posts such as the Matrimonial Office and tend to work primarily within one specialist area. However, increasingly, Masters may also be required to sit across different divisions and departments of the High Court, demonstrating adaptability and a broad understanding of the law. This competition opens for applications on Friday 29th January 2026 and closes on Monday 26th February 2026 at 12 noon. As part of the application and assessment process, NIJAC will seek clear evidence of each applicant's suitability for appointment. Applicants will be asked to complete a self-assessment demonstrating how they meet the criteria for the role. They will also be assessed through a role play and an interview where they can demonstrate the skills, attributes, behaviours, and effectiveness required of a judicial office holder. Interviews are scheduled for 16th and 19th March 2026, and subject to pre-appointment checks, it is anticipated that an appointment will be made in August 2026. Full details of the role and the assessment process are set out in the applicant information booklet. Master Harvey has been nominated as the point of contact for this competition, and I would encourage anyone who is considering applying and who would like to understand more about the role to contact NIJAC on 028 90 569 100, where a telephone call can be arranged with Master Harvey on your behalf. For further information and to apply, please visit www.nijac.gov.uk. If you have the experience and the judgment and the commitment to public service that this role demands, I would strongly encourage you to consider applying and to take this opportunity to contribute at the highest level to the work of the High Court in Northern Ireland. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video, and if you proceed with an application, very best wishes and good luck.